guys, I'm Rehana. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this. You can open it and use it under your cup if you need. This is so easy and you can make it in different color. So let's go to see how to crochet this. This tutorial I prefer to use this kind of yarn, and I use this hook. The number is 3mm. So first I started with magic ring. So I use a white color of yarn and I put the yarn between my finger like this. I do this very slowly to see what I exact do. As you can see, I put the hook under this first yarn and above this yarn and yarn over here and take out my finger. Now I have the magic ring. So first I make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3 chains, and then into this magic ring I put the hook here and yarn over and make 1 double crochet. Okay, again I repeat this. Put the hook here into this magic ring, yarn over and make another double crochet. Put the hook here, yarn over and make another double crochet. We need 11 double crochet into this magic ring. So I make it and I come back. Now I have 11 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and with these 3 chains we have 12 of this. Okay, so I do like this and then put the hook in the 3rd chains, exactly this one, and then make a slip stitch here like this. Now I make the first round, exactly this one. So I want to make another round. So I make 3 chains again here and then put the hook in above of this single crochet exactly here. Put the hook here, yarn over and make double crochet here. Again in the same space I put the hook and make another double crochet here. Okay, so I go to the next chain in above of this part. Here in this hole I put the hook here, yarn over and make 1 double crochet and again another double crochet here. So we have 2 double crochet in this hole. Again go to the next stitch and make 2 double crochet together like this. So I continue this until I above here in the near of these 3 chains. I complete this round and I have 23 of this double crochet with these 3 chains, but we need 24 double crochet. If I count I have 23, so I put the hook near of these 3 chains here in this hole and I make another double crochet. Okay, now if I attach these 2 parts together with a slip stitch like this, I have 24 double crochet and each in each stitch we have 2 double crochet, okay? But in the first, this is different. We have 2, but one of them is 3 chains and one of them is double crochet. So I complete this round. Now the time to complete this round, the third round. So I make 3 chains here and go to the next stitch. This is the next stitch, and in the bob of this stitch I put a hook and make 2 double crochet together. This is 1, and again put a hook in the same space exactly here and make 2 double crochet together. This is single and they are together. So go to the next stitch in this hole and make just 1 double crochet. So I make 1 double crochet here, and now this is finished. So I put the hook in the next stitch here and make 2 double crochet together. This is 1, and again in the same space, in the same hole, this is 2 double crochet together. So 1, 2, 1, 2, again 1 double crochet, single, 2 double crochet together. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2. So I continue this until I arrive here in the first the first place I started. Now I put the different color of yarn into this hand and put the hook in the middle of these 2 double crochet together exactly here, and yarn over and make 1 slip stitch here. Then I make 3 chains in this part, and again in this hole I make just 1 double crochet, okay? Then I make 1 chain and I skip this chain and go to the next chain here in this part, and I want to hide this yarn, so I put them in the bob of the hook and yarn over and make 1 slip stitch here, and then make 3 chains and 1 double crochet. So I want to add this color of yarn here, so you can put the yarn under this part and put the hook in a bob of this chain here and make 1 slip stitch, and then make 1, 2 and 3 chains, and then in the same space here make 1 double crochet like this, and then make 1 chain, just 1, and skip this chain and go to the next chain, put the hook here. I want to hide this extra yarn, so I put it in a bob of my hook and yarn over and make 2 double crochet in the same space. This is 1, and again in the same space this is 2 double crochet. Again 1 chain and skip this chain and go to the next chain. If you want to hide this extra yarn, put it in a bob hook and make 1 and 2 double crochet together. okay, and 1 chain. So you must continue this until you complete this part like this, okay. Complete this round, and I have 18 of this shape here, so I put the hook in the 3rd chain, but before that we need 1 chain. Don't forget this, okay. When you complete this double crochet, make 1 chain and then put the hook in the 3rd chain and make 1 slip stitch here. Now you have this and you complete this round. So this is the time to complete the last round with this color, or you can use a different color if you want. So I put the different color of yarn here, and I put the hook between these 2 V shape here and yarn over and make 3 chains here. So this is 3 chains in this part, and then I put the hook here again, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 times, then yarn over between these loops and make 3 chains here, 1, 2 and 3. Then I put the hook between these 2 V shape exactly here and make 1 slip stitch in this part. Then I put the hook in the next V shape and make another slip stitch here. Then make again 3 chains and we repeat 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then yarn over in all of this loop and make 3 chains again and put the hook here in the next hole or space, and then again put the hook in the middle of this V shape here and yarn over and make another slip stitch, and again repeat this 2 shape in all of this between this V shape, and don't forget to make a slip stitch here. Now I complete this round, so I make again 3 chains here and I put the hook in the last hole and make a slip stitch, and then put the hook here and make another slip stitch, and then 1 chain, and then cut the yarn, and you can use the needle to hide these 2 extra yarn, and then you have this and you can do this like me and use a different color of the yarn and make a knot and enjoy the things you make. This is so easy and very nice. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you.